Giggles.
Look at the mountains! They're so big! I'm so excited!
Me too!
Wow, look at that! It's so big!
Remember to wait for the red light before crossing.
Look at that blue! Wow, just like my boat.
You two doing all right back there?
Yeah, we're good.
Awesome. Look up ahead. We're almost there.
Here you go, sweetie. Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Mom. Be careful.
I got it.
We're here! Yay, yay!
Let's get this tent up quick.
I'll spread the blanket.
Yay, we can sit now. Almost done, kids.
Thanks for helping, Anne and Hung. Looks delicious, Mom.
Dinner's ready.
Yay, soup! Let's go eat, Ken. Smells delicious. Mmm, perfect.
Let's make this one extra special, shall we?
Look, Ken, it's perfect.
Wow, Mother, you're the best!
Look at all this food!
Yay!
This is gonna be so much fun.
Thank you for the meal. Itadakimasu. Try this. It's so good. Mmm, it is.
Looks like you two are enjoying dinner.
Yeah, it's the best.
And
Come on. Okay, Ken, wait for me.
Be careful, you two.
Look, Mom, it's so pretty. Look at them. They're so happy. Look what I found. It's glowing. It's amazing. Look what we found. It's so big.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's beautiful, dears. Look, it's glowing.
How wonderful.
How wonderful. It's so beautiful.
Oh, I can really hear the ocean in here.
Oh, isn't it neat?
It's like magic. Thank you, sweetie.
I hear the ocean. Oh, let me try. It sounds beautiful.
Look, the cliff is right there. Let's go now. Just a moment, Anne. Almost ready.
We're packing as fast as we can.
Look, the ocean.
It's beautiful, isn't it, kids? Wow, so big. Let's go swimming.
All right, kids, watch your step here.
Anne, put your foot right there. Good job. Ken, you can do it. Wow, look at that. So cool.
Aren't they adorable?
They love it. It's so bright. Wow, it feels warm. Look, it's glowing higher. We're here. Anne, you're here.
Ken,